Chapter 6, question number 4, page number 151. First question is, prepare purchase book in the book of Sri Suresh with the year 2015, month of October. Here I am ready with this specimen. This is how you have to get ready with this specimen. In the question only they will specify to prepare a simple purchase book or columnary purchase book. Or by reading the question you will understand you have to prepare which kind of specimen. Here we are preparing a simple purchase book. It's very simple and easy to remember. How you make a journal entry? Same here, date and particular. But beside to do debit and credit, here we are making only one single amount with LF. And this is the column where we are going to write the bill number. Compared to journal entry, this chapter is the most easiest chapter. In this chapter, as I have already written in the theoretical word, that we are going to prepare 4 books, and here we are going to record only a credit transaction. Okay, let me start with the first transaction. Purchase goods of rupees 10,000 from Deepak on 1 month credit. Here the name is specified and it's already specified that it is a credit transaction. So it is very easy to record. Just write down the date, the name of a person with whom the transaction is taking place, that is Deepak account. As there is no discount, directly write down the amount 10,000, and even the bill number is not given for the first transaction. So that's it. Moving to the next, third. Purchase goods of rupees 20,000 from Sardar store at 10% rate discount. Invoice number 116. Before I go further, remember कि यहाँ पर सिर्फ trade discount दिया जाएगा. When it is given the cash discount तब भी कैलकुलेट होता है जब कैश पे किया हो, और कैश पे किया हो तो ये जो हम सब्सिडरी बुक बना रहे हैं वहाँ पे हमको वो ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं करना है. So remember, we are always calculating 10% trade discount. Sorry, not 10% as usual, whatever the transaction is given. So here, purchase goods from Sardar store. 20,000 पर 10% trade discount है. यानी कि if we remove 10% of 20,000, it would be 2,000. So 20,000 minus 2,000, it would be 18. So here I am writing first date, then the name of a person, that is it's a store, so Sardar store account. Bill number was given 116. See, invoice number 116. So just write down 116 invoice number, and after discount it is 18,000. अगर आप कैलकुलेटर में कैलकुलेट करोगे तो अभी आ जाएगा 20,000 and remove 10% rate discount. Moving to the 7th transaction. Purchase goods of rupees 18,000 from Pankaj on cash. कैश लिखा है तो ये ट्रांजेक्शन यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं होगा. Just ignore it. Just cut this out that we are not going to record it. Then next is the place order. उसके आगे में मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं है because it is non-economic transaction. Next, 20. Purchase furniture of rupees 16,000 from Yas Furniture Mart on credit. Remember, subsidiary book हम बना रहे हैं to record credit purchase of goods, not asset, and furniture is counted as an asset. ये journal proper में जाएगा, which would be our next to next chapter. तो यहाँ पे हम ये भी record नहीं करेंगे. Moving to the 21st. Rajesh has sent the good as per the order. अब हम जाते हैं on the date 15, जो हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, पर राजेश ने ऑर्डर क्या किया है वो देखने के लिए हमको 15th पे जाना पड़ेगा. Rajesh for supplying goods of rupees 20,000 at 10% trade discount. So if we remove again 10% of 20,000 with a discount, it would be 18,000. So Rajesh has sent goods as per the order and sent invoice number 350 after adding 1,000 railway freight. Now ये जो railway freight है is not going to record in your subsidiary book, as this will be recorded in your journal proper. So moving as 7th नहीं आएगा, 15 नहीं आएगा, 20 नहीं, और 21 date will be recorded with the name of Rajesh account. Bill number was given on the date 21, that is 350. So here I am writing 350 with the amount 18,000 as per that order जो हमने 15 को दिया था. Moving to the next, 24th. Purchase goods of rupees 14,000 at 5% cash discount. इफ यू चेक दिस मच, द नेम इज नॉट रिटन. अगर किसी को अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है क्रेडिट और कैश ट्रांजेक्शन जानने में है तो यहाँ पे नाम नहीं दिया है. एंड व्हेन द नेम इज नॉट रिटन इट इज कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, एंड व्हेन इट इज कैश ट्रांजेक्शन दैट टाइम ओनली द कैश डिस्काउंट इज डिस्प्ले. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रांजेक्शन. सो हम ये नहीं रिकॉर्ड करेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज द कैश ट्रांजेक्शन. मूविंग टू द 25th. Purchase goods of rupees 30,000 from Nilesh at 10% trade discount and half of the amount paid immediately by check. अब ये जो लाइन है, always remember this is just to make you confused. When it is half, quarterly or whatever have been paid, not full. जब तक fully paid नहीं लिखा हो तब तक, अगर ये हाफ है कुछ भी है, फुल्ली पेड किया है तो पूरा ट्रांजेक्शन हम इग्नोर करेंगे. और अगर हाफ या क्वार्टरली पेड किया है तो उस लाइन को कट करेंगे एंड द रिमेनिंग दिस मच ट्रांजेक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड. मीन्स ये ट्रांजेक्शन हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है. परचेज गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 30,000 फ्रॉम नीलेश एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. 10% ऑफ 30,000 विल बी 3,000. 30,000 में से 3,000 डिस्काउंट माइनस करेंगे तो इट वुड बी 27,000. As you can see in the transaction, bill number is not given, so I am recording directly by 25, writing the name of a person जिसके साथ transaction हो रहा है, that is Nilesh account, as bill number is not given, and after discount we found it is 27,000. That's it. Okay, some more transaction. 26. Purchase goods of rupees 15,000 from Chirag at 10% trade discount and 5% discount. Amount paid immediately. Now amount paid immediately यानी कि पूरा पैसा दे दिया है, तो ये ट्रांजेक्शन हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज व्हेन इट इज पेड इट टर्न्स टू द कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, और यहाँ पे हमको कैश ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है. मूविंग टू द 30. Purchase goods of rupees 40,000 from Nitin. Now this is your credit transaction, so we'll write down dated 30 with the invoice number 151, and without discount it is directly 40,000. So here 30, name is Nitin, account, bill number is 151, and without discount so directly we'll write down 40,000. That's it, the end of this question. Just now just make a total of this. It is 1,13,000, and here you have to write down that is the total of credit purchase. ये सारा उधार का परचेस था जिसको हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे इन द सब्सिडरी बुक, परचेस सब्सिडरी बुक. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, which is given on your page number 152. Now from the following transaction of Sri Gada Electronic Store, prepare columnary purchase book. See, it is already specified, you have to prepare columnary purchase book. Sri Gada Electronics deal with TV, refrigerator and washing machine. Now here the electronic store, and here we are selling we are purchasing or selling of electronics machine. अब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि ये मशीन है और ये असेट है, हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग एन अकाउंट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टोर. दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट विच वी आर डीलिंग विद, ये हमारे गुड्स हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी विल डील विद. अगर इसके सिवा अगर फर्नीचर आ जाए और लैंड बिल्डिंग ऐसा कुछ असेट आ जाए, तब अगर असेट क्रेडिट पे परचेज हो रहा है तो हम यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. पर वी आर मेकिंग अ परचेज बुक of Gada Electronic Store where we are dealing with these 3 products, and these are our goods. So here I am ready with the specimen columnary purchase book of Sri Gada Electronics. Now simply easy to remember this specimen as well. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो it is just, if you cover this much, it is that column only, amount column, LF, inward invoice number and date in particular. यहाँ पे सिर्फ amount का column stretch कर दिया है by putting all the goods, that is TV, refrigerator, washing machine, क्योंकि हम गदा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से का अकाउंट बना रहे हैं, and at the end we have to make a total for it. So let's start. Here the year is 2015 with the month May. 2015 May 1st. Now first transaction is purchase 10 TV set at rupees 30,000 each set. 5 refrigerator at 15,000 per piece, and 2 washing machine at 18,000 per piece. From Sri Daya Electronics Store, credit period is 1 month and invoice number is 100. So first I'm writing the date, then the name, that is Daya Electronics account. Invoice number in this transaction is given 100. Now we are going to multiply with the number of TV and with the amount of. Here just write down the transaction number. TV के लिए बोला था 10 set with 30,000 rupees, refrigerator 5 set with 15,000 rupees and washing machine with 2 set of rupees 18,000. So this is what we are purchasing. So first get them multiply. Here comes 3 lakh, here 75,000, here 36,000. Now after getting them multiply, you have to write down in their column, that is 3 lakh of TV, 75,000 for refrigerator and 36,000 for washing machine. The total of this 4,11,000 for the first transaction. Next transaction is purchase from Sri Tarak Electronics Store 5-piece TV at 25,000 per piece and 10 refrigerator at 16,000 per piece at 10% trade discount. Received invoice number 151 and half of the amount paid immediately. हमको ये पूरा ट्रांजेक्शन कब इग्नोर करना है? जब इट इज़ फुल्ली पेड. जब हाफ पेड है तो जस्ट कट दिस एंड यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड दिस ट्रांजेक्शन. सिर्फ उस लाइन को कट करना है और ये ट्रांजेक्शन को हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है. सो हियर द कैलकुलेशन इज, first get them. I made a multiplication of the 5 set of TV into 25,000, 10 refrigerator into 16,000 rupees. So here the amount, now 10% trade discount, so it would be 12,500. 10% of 1,25,000 and 10% of 1,60,000 is 16,000. Get them minus. This is what the answer you will get for the 7th transaction. Now we'll write down date 7 with the name of a person, Tarak Electronics. Tarak Electronics. As we can't see any, here the bill number is 151. Write down the amount which we have just now calculated in the column. TV का calculation TV में ही डालेंगे और refrigerator it is 1,44,000. The total of this is 2,56,500. Moving to the next. Purchase cycle of rupees 5,000 from Sri Ambe Cycle Store. Now this is out of our product. We are dealing with the TV, refrigerator and washing machine. ये हमारे goods है. तो यहाँ पे cycle will be out of our goods. So it means this is your asset, one of the vehicle we are purchasing. So ignore this transaction because the credit purchase of asset have to be ignored. Moving to the 20. Purchase 5 refrigerator of 20,000 per piece, 10 washing machine at 15,000 per piece at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. अगर cash discount सब यहाँ पे purchase या sales book में आपको दिखाई दे तो please read it properly. That from Sri आत्माराम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टोर अमाउंट पेड इमीडिएटली, यानी कि पूरा पेमेंट हो गया है तभी कैश डिस्काउंट दिया है. इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी. समटाइम फॉर द कन्फ्यूजन ऑल्सो दे पुट 5% कैश डिस्काउंट. सो रीड द होल ट्रांजेक्शन प्रॉपरली टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड हियर इट इज रिटन अमाउंट पेड इमीडिएटली मीन्स इट्स योर कैश ट्रांजेक्शन. सो इग्नोर द होल ट्रांजेक्शन. Moving to the next, that is place in order. It's a non-economic transaction, so we no need to record this. Next, from Sri Gokul Dham Electronics Store, purchase 5 piece of TV set at 30,000 per piece and 5 washing machine at 23,000 per piece. Trade discount of 10% with the invoice number 123. First, I'll record this 31 with the name of a person, that is Gokul Dham Electronics, and the bill number is 123. and here they are dealing only with the TV and the washing machine. So here the calculation is ready. TV with the 5 TV of rupees 30,000 and washing. Here the calculation is ready, and this is what the trade discount. The 10% of 1,50,000 will be 15,000. 1,15,000 will be 11,500. So here it is 1,35,000 after getting minus with the discount 300,500. So after getting ready, we'll write down 1,35,000 for TV, and for washing machine it is 1,03,500. The total of this is 2,38,500. That's it. Now at the end, that was the last transaction. So here we finish with our next question. Let's make a total of this. Make it with your calculator, and that's the total credit purchase. That's it. Now the next question is 8th one. It is very similar to your question number 4. Here you have to prepare, the 7th question. Very similar to the purchase book which we have prepared question number 4, पर यहाँ पर आपको sales book बनाना है. Very simple, but this is going to in your homework, that from the following transaction prepare sale book in the books of Shri Prabhat Hardware Store, who is an iron trader. So here the year is given and the month is given. I am just helping you which you have to ignore. The first transaction that is sold goods of 20,000 to Neha for the 3 months credit. This is going to be record. Next, sold goods of 10,000 to Vidhi store at 5% trade discount and sent a bill number of 85 with carriage of rupees 400. Now with carriage, the extra cash जो हम देते हैं वो record नहीं करना है. You have to just cut this how I have cut. उसको record नहीं करना है. The remaining you have to record. ये जो carriage है वो journal proper में जाएगा. Next is sold goods of 15,000. That was the cash transaction, तो ignore करना है. Sold machinery, ये हमारा asset हो जाता है, तो इसको भी ignore करना है. 23rd, ignore means not to record. 23, sold goods of 15,000 to Simoli at 10% trade discount and half of the amount is paid immediately. तो ये half of the amount paid immediately उसको calculate भी नहीं करना है, और वो line को ही ignore करके ये पूरे ट्रांजैक्शन का हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. 28th, सोल्ड गुड्स ऑफ 20,000 तो रिद्धि एट 10% कैश डिस्काउंट एट कैश. तो ये कैश ट्रांजैक्शन है तो इसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है. 29, मीट प्लेस इन ऑर्डर. इट्स अ नॉन इकोनॉमिक, सो इग्नोर इट. 30, सोल्ड गुड्स ऑफ 30,000 टू व्रज एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट, बिल नंबर 95. नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रिकॉर्ड. नाउ फॉर दिस I'll give you one snapshot of the solution of this at the end of the video, just to help you not to copy this. Just first you are going to make a solution from this question, then for checking only I am going to give you this thing to just to see the 8th that is 8th number question. Here the columnaries, prepare columnary sales book. Now here you have to prepare what we have prepared for the fifth question. वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे 8th के लिए बनाना है. For the name cotton, khadi and silk. That is sold Janki store. Here also I have make a mark कि आपको कौन सा रिकॉर्ड करना है, कौन सा नहीं रिकॉर्ड करना है. And is also ready with the calculation as well. But same here, you have to solve by yourself, and then for the checking I'll give you the snapshot of this solution. Moving to the next, and yeah, in this chapter 6th and 9th chapter have been removed from the syllabus for this year. Moving, so it is not going to come in your exam. So next is your question number 10, where we are going to prepare from the following. Prepare purchase book and purchase written book in the books of account of Gujarat traders. So here we'll record, we are going to prepare purchase book and purchase written book together. Here I am ready with this specimen. Purchase book of Gujarat store. Specimen simple purchase book का बनाया है. Date, particular, inward invoice number, LF amount. Purchase written book. Now here debit note number. Remember ये जो हमारा स्पेसिमेन है वो ये लाइन से ही पता चलता है आपने कौन सा स्पेसिमेन बनाया. परचेज बुक में आप इनवर्ड इनवॉइस नंबर लिखते हो तो रिटर्न बुक में डेबिट नोट नंबर इन द परचेज रिटर्न. एंड फॉर द सेल्स रिटर्न यू हैव टू राइट डाउन क्रेडिट नोट नंबर ओनली फॉर दिस कॉलम. ये कॉलम ही चेंज होगा, बाकी सेम है. सो हियर विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन. With the year 2018, Jan 1st, goods purchase of rupees 1 lakh at 5% trade discount from Punjab store. So first we'll write down year 2018, Jan 1st, and the name is Punjab stores account. Bill number is not given, so nothing to record in the inward invoice number. In amount 1 lakh at 5% trade discount, that is minus 5,000, you will get 95,000. Next, goods purchase of 60,000 on credit of 1 month from Maharashtra store, trade discount 10%, bill number 330. So this will record, it's a credit transaction. Maharashtra store account with the 60,000 with the 10% rate discount. The 60,000 minus 6,000, it would be 54,000. Next, goods purchase of rupees 50,000 from Kerala store on credit and 50% amount is paid immediately. तो इसको हम इग्नोर करेंगे क्योंकि आधा ही पे हुआ है. अगर फुल्ली होता तो पूरा ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड करते, इग्नोर करते. तो हियर goods purchase of 50,000 from Kerala store will be recorded. Just write down without discount it is. With the amount 50,000. Next, 17. 1/3 goods is written to Maharashtra store along with the debit note number, that is 43, of appropriate amount is sent. Here is the calculation for the 17 transaction of Maharashtra returns, that 54,000 into 1/3, you will get 18,000. Now you have to go in the purchase written book because Maharashtra store से written हो रहा है. So the first date write down, that is 2018 year with the month Jan and dated 17 when it is returning. So write down Maharashtra store account. Your debit note number is given in this transaction, that is 43, and as per the calculation we got that 18,000 का goods return हो रहा है. Next transaction number 21, goods purchase of rupees 40,000 at 10% trade discount from Rajasthan store. Rajasthan store has sent invoice number 160 after adding 5% GST and labor 400. Now these are the extra expense which are not recorded in this subsidiary book, where we are only recording the purchase goods amount with the discount. This extra amount goes in the journal proper, that would be our chapter 8. So here the transaction will be 21, write down Rajasthan store account. Here the 10% rate discount, 40,000 minus 4,000, it would be 36,000. Moving to the next transaction, goods purchase of rupees 50,000 on credit from Uttar Pradesh store. Credit period is of 2 months and trade discount 10% with the bill number 380. So here come Uttar Pradesh account with the bill number 380, and the Rajasthan it was 160, I forgot to record. with the 10%. So 50,000 10% discount, so it would be 50,000 minus 5,000. So it is 45,000. Next, out of the total goods purchased from Uttar Pradesh, 30% goods is written along with good debit number 44 is sent. Write down the date in the purchase written. Write down Uttar Pradesh, the person, the store which is returning with the debit note number is 44. Now take 45,000 and remove 30%. You will get 13,500. Next, an order of goods purchase, remember it's an order, 80,000 10% is placed to Madhya Pradesh store. तो ये order दिया है, it's a non-economic transaction, not to record. 31. Goods of rupees 30,000 purchased at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount on cash from Haryana store. So this is a cash transaction as it is displayed on cash. So no need to record 31 as well. Now that's it. Here we prepared purchase book and purchase written book. Now we'll make a total of it. This will be our total credit purchase and this will be total credit purchase written. Total will be 2,80,000 and here 31,500. Next similar question is 11th one. From the following transaction, prepare sales book and sales written book in the book of Pratibha Furniture Mart. These are the transaction. Here also in the 22nd transaction, the GST and the labor charges will come, which not to be calculated and not to be recorded. Now these all are, this is going to be come in your homework within your page number 154. The snapshot of this I will give you, but this you have to take just for the solution. After solving, to check your answer, this I am going to give you an image of this and it is going to come in your homework. Moving to the next question number 12. Prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase written book and sales written book in the books of PK store from the following transaction. Now here there are total 4 books we are going to prepare. Here I am ready with this specimen and this is the simple book we are preparing. Here the purchase book of PK store, date particular. For purchase we write inward invoice number. For purchase written, debit note number. For sales book, outward invoice number. And for sales written book, credit note number. Now let's start with this. Here the year is 2015 November. Write down in each book 2015 with the month of November. So you don't forget while going the solution. First one is purchase goods of rupees 30,000 from Ramanuj at 10% trade discount with a bill number 120. So this transaction will move in the purchase book. So here with the purchase book, write down first, write down the name of Ramanuj account with 30,000 10% trade discount. Bill number is 120. So 30,000 ka 10% will be 3,000. 30,000 minus 3,000 it would be 27,000. Moving to the next, fourth one. Purchase goods of rupees 12,000 from Nirmi at 10% cash discount, credit period 1 month. With the cash discount, but it's a credit transaction. So let's record this. Nirmi account with the bill number 130 with no need to calculate cash discount. Cash discount जब cash transaction हो तभी calculate करना है. Write down the full amount of 12,000. Sixth one is sold goods of rupees 15,000 to Suresh at 5% trade discount and 3% cash discount under bill number 350. Cash discount दिया है लेकिन ये transaction credit transaction है because nowhere it is written for cash. तो ये credit transaction है, will record this into sale book. Sixth one with the name Suresh account 15,000, remove 5% of it, you will get 14,250 with the bill number 350. Moving to the next, 11th one. Purchase goods of rupees 10,000, cash memo number 58. इतना आप देखते हो तो नाम नहीं दिया है. It is a cash transaction and cash memo is also given. So no need to record 11th one. 15th one. Suresh written goods 3,000 with the credit note number 20 sent. तो ये सुरेश के साथ ट्रांजेक्शन था सेल्स बुक में, तो ये आएगा इन द सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. जस्ट राइट डाउन द डेट 15 विद द नेम ऑफ सुरेश account and with the amount 3,000 and credit note number is 20. Next, 17th one. 40% goods written to Nirmi and debit note number is 17. By looking at the debit note number, that's your purchase written. Here the transaction taken place in purchase with Nirmi and the return came on the date 17, November 17. Just write down the name of person, that is Nirmi account, bill number 17, and if you remove 40% of 12,000 you will get 4,800. Next, 19. Purchase furniture of rupees 7,000 from Sri Saraswati Furniture Mart, that is a set purchase on credit which will be recorded in journal proper, not in this subsidiary book. 20. Subsidiary means purchase या sales return के sales book में नहीं आएगा. 20. Purchase goods of rupees 90,000 from auntie and half the amount paid immediately. Ignore this line that half the amount have been paid immediately, but purchase में auntie का number आएगा, that is 20, and write down auntie account with the amount 90,000 as there is no bill number is given, so keep it empty. Next, 21. All the goods purchased from auntie sold to Bala for rupees 1,08,000 and credit 1 month with a trade discount of 10%, bill number 360. So without looking at the side, just write down the date 21, write down the name of Bala, and if you remove 10% of 1,08,000, it would be 10,800. You will get 97,200. Next, now on 23rd, Bala returned half of the goods which was sent to auntie. Now here Bala is returning half of the goods on the date 23. So just write down the date Bala and take the amount 97,200. Half है तो multiply by 1, divide by 2. Calculating half, you will get 48,600. And in the transaction it is also written that half of the goods which was sent by auntie. And now also we are going to, what we have purchased from auntie, going to be written it back on the dated 23. On the same day, just write down auntie account and look at the amount. हमने कितने का परचेज किया था, 90,000 का, तो यहाँ पे हम रिटर्न कर देंगे हाफ ऑफ 90, इट इज 45,000. फॉर दिस ट्रांजेक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट माई एक्सप्लेनेशन. 23rd, बाला रिटर्न हाफ ऑफ द गुड्स विच वॉज सेंड टू आंटी. यानी कि हम पहले अगर हम ट्रांजेक्शन में देखें तो हमने पहले आंटी से गुड्स परचेज किया था, वही गुड हमने बाला को सोल्ड कर दिया था. अब 23rd को बाला हमें हाफ गुड्स रिटर्न करे और हम वही गुड्स आंटी को वापस रिटर्न कर देंगे. नाउ लुक इन दिस. ऑन 20 आंटी से हमने 90,000 का परचेज किया था. फिर 21st को हमने बाला को थोड़ा प्रॉफिट ऐड करके हमने 97,200 में उसको बेच दिया था. अब बाला ने इसका आधा रिटर्न किया, तो 97,200 का आधा होता है 48,600. एंड दिस ऑब्वियसली सेम, हमने जितना आंटी से खरीदा था हम भी वही हाफ आंटी को रिटर्न कर देंगे. सो नो नीड टू गेट कन्फ्यूज और नो नीड टू गो इन द एनी कैलकुलेशन. जस्ट लुक एट द बुक. हमने जितने में बेचा था हम उसी का हाफ रिटर्न में कर देंगे, जितने का खरीदा था उसी का हाफ हम रिटर्न कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट, current place in order of rupees 30,000 10% trade discount for the supply of goods. It's a non-economic transaction, हम नहीं लिखेंगे. 25th, goods sent to current as per the order with the 500 added for the carriage under bill number 365. Now on 25th we are going to send to current. So here it will come with the name of current account. 30,000 का goods order किया है, 10% discount होगा 3,000 का, तो remain 27,000. And about this 500 additional carriage which have been paid, which will be recorded in the journal proper. Bill number is 365. Student, don't get confused with this bill number and don't write this number in amount column. ये bill number ध्यान से देखना. 36 cash purchase, cash sales हम record नहीं करेंगे. It is a cash. 27 written goods to Sweetie of 10,000 which was purchased in October and sent a debit note number 20. Now this is the purchase written. Just write down in the purchase written with the name Sweetie account with the debit note number is 20 and the amount is 10,000. Moving to the next 30, current written half of the goods and proportionate amount of carriage was given credit. Now current को हमने सेल किया था 27,000 का, which is returning on the date 30. If you make a half of 27,000, you will get 13,500. So here we end up with the last transaction, and this is how we have to solve these 4 books. At the end, just make the total as usual. I am showing you in all the question. Total credit purchase, total credit purchase written, total sales book, and of total. Moving to the next question, number 13 is not going to come in this year in your syllabus. Moving to the next question, number 14, where we have to prepare columnary subsidiary book of purchase book, sales book, purchase written book, sales written book in the books of Nirmi Sports Stores. So here we are going to prepare 4 books, and this is how you have to prepare a specimen. Now here you can see they are dealing with the 3 product, ball, bat and stump. So here columnary purchase book, see the specimen how I have prepared, date particular, inward invoice number LF, just amount column will stretch with the product name, and one more column will include as a total. So here I am ready with the 4 specimen. Before you start, you have to get ready with the specimen. Don't forget to write down date. First you have to write down a year 2015 with the month in each and every specimen, so in between you don't forget to write down. So here we'll start with the first one. Purchase following goods from Sanya at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. 200 balls of 150 rupees, 100 bats of 800 rupees, stump 50 stumps for 300 per pair. Now you have to remove only 10% trade discount. Don't remove 5% cash discount because this is your credit transaction. So here I am ready with the calculation. See, this you have to do in your calculator, but for the explanation I have to take in the calculation. Just write down the date, ball, bat, stump, the product name, numbers, amount to be multiplied. When you will multiply, you will get this amount. 10% of this, that is the discount column. After discount, the amount remained 27,000 for ball, 72,000 for bat, and 13,500 for stump. So now this is how we will record. First, write down the date 1, name Sanya, account. Inward invoice number is not given in the question, so keep it blank. Here with the calculation I got 27,000. For bat it is 72,000. For stump 13,500. This is how you have to record. The total of this is 1,12,500. I will give this image of this calculation just for your practice. Moving to the next transaction. 5th one. Sold following goods to Malik at 5% trade discount. Here the numbers and the amount, and here I am ready with the calculation of this. And after removing 5% discount, the ending amount is this, and this is sale transaction. So here in the sales book, write down the date 5, name is Malik, account, and invoice number is not given in this question as well, in this transaction as well. So here 14,250 after calculation, 28,500 for bag, and for stamp it is 4,750. Total of this is 47,500. Moving to the next. Purchase following goods from Kapil at 10% trade discount. Here the numbers and here the amount of 3 products. And here is the calculation. The numbers is written, amount after multiplication, after the discount of 10%. This is the last value. Now this is the purchase transaction. So just write down in the column 10, write down the name of a person, Kapil account. Bill number is not given in this transaction. 4,320, 21,600 VAT, and the 2,160. Total is 2880. Total of this 3 column. Moving to the next, 13th one. Following goods sold to Yusuf at 5% trade discount. Here the product 40, 30, 10 with the amount. Here I am ready with the calculation. 40, 30, 10 with the amount. After multiplication, here you have to remove 5% trade discount, and after discount the value remain this. Now this is again the sold transaction. Just write down the date, the name of a person, Yusuf, account, no bill number is given, the calculation amount with the column 37,050, 6,650, the total is 51,300. Next, Yusuf written half of the goods, credit note number 21 sent to him. Now here the Yusuf is done in the sales book. Now written we are going to write for the date in 15, Yusuf account. Here the calculation is, take the 13th amount जो आपने लिखा है कॉलम में वही आपको लिखना है, और हाफ अमाउंट रिटर्न हो रहा है तो मल्टीप्लाई 1 डिवाइड बाई 2 यू विल गेट द हाफ वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो जस्ट आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन हियर द क्रेडिट नोट नंबर इज 21, 3,800, 18,525, 3,325, 25,650. That is the total of 3 columns. Moving to the next, 20. Following goods written to Sania. Ball 10, bat 5 and stump Paris 3. तो यहाँ पे आपको numbers दिया है. For amount you have to see कि सानिया का transaction was the first one. Here we'll take amount, that is 150, 800 and 300. Don't forget the 10% trade discount was also done. So after discount we are going to make a return to the Sania. So here 20, the number of returns I have written and the amount I have picked up from the first column. The amount, जो product का amount था वो लिखा, get them multiply, remove the 10% of discount, then the value whatever remain is going to be written, because here in the question they have given you the numbers of product. So here it is the purchase written, the date it is 20, write down Sania, note number is not there, with the amount 3,600 and 810. Total is 5,760. Next, the main part of this kind of columnary purchase book is the calculation. Don't make any mistake in the calculation. And if you need, you can make a calculation like that, which I have shown you here. You can continue with the same question. For the calculation, I didn't drop any space, so I have done in the another page. Moving to the next. Half of the goods purchased from Kapil were sold to Sehwag after adding 20% profit on cost. Now, Kapil wala transaction tha 10th. Now, whatever we have purchased from the Kapil, first we'll make a half of it, and after adding 20% we'll sell to Sehwag. So, here is the calculation. ये 10 transaction का सबसे पहले मैंने amount ले लिया for ball, bat and stump. See, the amount are same. Then I remove half of it, that is this amount. After moving half, ये half goods purchased from Kapil, which is going to be sold to Sehwag. अब Sehwag को sold करना है 20% profit के साथ. So first take this amount, remove 20% of it. After removing 20%, I have add with the same amount, that is 2160. ये 20% प्रॉफिट ऐड कर दिया. उसके बाद जो वैल्यू बचा, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सेल टू Sehwag. सो हियर वी कम्स इन द सेल्स बुक dated 20, Sehwag account, bill number is not there. $12,960, 1,290, 6. So here we sold to Sehwag. Next, Sehwag written all of the goods which were written to Kapil. अब Sehwag का रिटर्न आ गया ऑन द डेट 27. Sehwag को हमने गुड्स सोल्ड किया था. तो नाउ द रिटर्न वी हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. राइट डाउन द डेट, दैट इज 27, नेम द पर्सन हु इज रिटर्निंग, नोट नंबर इज नॉट देयर. अब जितना यहाँ पे लिखा है कि रिटर्न ऑल ऑफ द गुड्स, तो आपने जितना लिखा उतना पूरा आपको यहाँ पे रिटर्न में लिखना है, दैट द होल गुड्स हैव बीन रिटन. It's not and yet. रिटर्न Sehwag ने तो किया ही, which were written to Kapil. अब Sehwag को हमने कितना सोल्ड किया था, जितना हमने कपिल से परचेज किया था उसका आधा हमने with 20% profit we have sold to Sehwag. So here I have already done the calculation. While doing the calculation I have shown you कि half of the Kapil which is going to after adding 20% we sold to Sehwag. तो यही है हमारा half ready. तो we can write down in the purchase return with the name 27 dated Kapil को हम आधा return करेंगे. We'll copy the same amount here from here. Here also I have written for the amount that check the transaction number dated 25. So here 260, 10,800 and 1,080. 14,040. So this is how we have to written. Next is cash purchase of ball, bat, stump and cash sales of ball and bat. So no need to record, it's a cash transaction. Hope you understand all the transaction. Now I will make a total. Here is the total of purchase book, purchase written book, sales book, and here the sales written book. I'll give this image of this calculation.